The M.O.S.T fiber optic box is highly functional and delivers great sound. A shortcoming is quality control. The signal wires for the left and right channels come over-crimped from the factory, leading to broken connectors and non-functional sound. We're going to cover what to do and how to repair this. We share what the replacement connector is called, what tools and parts you need, and the procedure. We'll explain how the connector is wired, what to do if you make any mistakes. Parts and tools. The connector took a bit of searching. It is a Micro Molex 3.0 connector. I have a link in the description to the parts you'll need, including the connector and pins that go on the wires. Next, you'll need a crimping tool. You'll need something to strip the audio wire. I recommend getting replacement audio wires to give yourself additional length of wire to work with. The copper wire inside the provided connector turned out to be so thin that even though it shouldn't make a difference to carry the signal, I was concerned, so I used a replacement connector for a guaranteed lower impedance. We need a soldering iron, a voltmeter to test the connections, and heat shrinking to protect our hard work. Understanding the existing plug. The existing plug on the fiber optic box is a female connector, male pins. So the replacement connector will use male connector, female pins. Now the pins and what they do. The lower row is yellow, black, red, which is 12 volts ground ignition. The upper row is the left audio channel, audio ground, and audio right channel. The grounds on the audio connector are spliced. Prepare the audio connector. On the fiber optic box, they combine the ground. Using either the original cables, or better yet replacement cables, remove the shielding and solder together the ground, making sure to heat shrink the results. We want an end result of a single ground wire that we can crimp a pin on. Crimp wires. On the crimper, it's the 22 to 24 setting. This is important. Don't over-crimp. I made that mistake on the first connector and it all fell apart because I crushed the wires. Apply a gentle, soft, medium amount of force so they don't tug out but don't fall apart. Test all wires by giving them a tug on the connector. I ruined a connector and had no way of getting the pins out and was glad I bought two connectors to allow for mistakes. I had no way of getting the connector pins out because the de-pinning tool was too expensive. Buying two connectors to allow for mistakes was cheaper for this project. Insert into new connector. Once all wires are ready, insert them into your new connector. Just to confirm again, it is female pins on a male Micro Molex 3.0 connector. Solder into head unit. Once the repaired connector is ready, you are good to go to integrate the fiber optic box back into your head unit. The audio connectors get connected and the wires get soldered into B+, ground, and ignition appropriately. That's it for the fiber optic box repair. Enjoy your working audio.